Class, someone leads the prayer. Good morning, class. So, first, I am Chammy Sano. I'll be your teacher for today. And first, let's check our attendance. So, if I call your name, just say present. Bobby Blitz, Aplicador, Ritasa, Reyes, and Jacinto. So, let me remind you about your portfolio na ipapasa natin on Friday. The content of your portfolio is yung mga lesson natin this first quarter. So, now let's review what was our lesson yesterday. So, someone or anyone can tell me what we've been discussed yesterday? Yes, we discussed about subtraction of similar and dissimilar mixed fraction. So, any clarifications or questions about yesterday's topic so that we can proceed sa next topic natin? So, wala na. Okay, first, let's read our objective for today. So, at the end of the lesson, grade 5 students will be able to, first, understand the steps of adding mixed, similar, and dissimilar fractions. Second, use the strips of paper to equally add and simplify similar fractions. And third, manifest teamwork through group activity. So now let's have our activity, which is hindi naman siya recorded, pero it will test your knowledge or your stock knowledge related on our topic today. So, I have some strips of paper here. So, individually, bibigyan ko kayo nito na gagamitin ninyo to answer following questions. So, ibibigay ko to sa inyo isa-isa at yung mga questions na sasagutan ninyo. So, class, did you have fun ba sa activity natin? How do you find doing the activity? Is it mahirap ba siya or madali ba siya? So, can someone tell me kung ano ang magiging connection nito sa magiging topic natin today? Yes, thank you. So now, class, let's move on or let's proceed on our topic for today. So, our topic for today is adding mixed, similar, and dissimilar fractions. So, first, let's have some example. So, unahin natin ang dissimilar fraction. So, always remember na dissimilar fraction ang tawag kapag ang denominator ng dalawang number na ina-add ay hindi magkapareho. So, similar kapag kapareho naman sila ng denominator. So, first, our given is 1/4 plus 1/2. So, the first thing to do is find the common multiple of 4 and 2. Since 4 and 2 is hindi magkapareha and sila ang denominator. So, as we can see, the common multiple of 4 and 2 is 4 or the least common denominator ang una natin na hahanapin. So, 4 ang least common denominator natin. So, put LCD as your denominator. So, here it is, 4, and then, rewrite natin ang 1/4 plus 1/2 na ganito ang 4 para mas madali. So, here's the process. Since nalagay na natin ang 4 sa denominator, let's move on sa 4 divide 2 is equals to 2, then multiply it to the numerator. So, 4 divide 2 is 2 times 1, the numerator is 2. Then, sa taas naman, 4 divide 4 is 1, and then times or multiply the numerator equals to 1. So, simplify, add the numerator kasi pareha na sila ng denominator. So, 4 is the denominator. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So, that we came up to 3/4. Ibig sabihin, 1/4 plus 1/2 is equals to 3/4. So, class, any clarification in adding dissimilar fractions? So, wala na. Now, let's have the adding of similar fractions. So, similar fraction siya kasi same sila ng denominator. So, let's have 3/12 plus 6/12 is equals to 3 plus 6 is equals to 9, and then copy the denominator. Or, the 9/12 is pwede pa siya ma-lowest term. Lowest term is mas paikliin pa natin siya or mas paliitin natin siya. Since 9 is divisible by 3 and 12 is divisible by 3 also. So, 9/12 divide 3 over 3 is equals to 9 divided 3 is equals to 3, and 12 divided 3 is equals to 3/4. So, 3 over 12 plus 6 over 12 is equals to 3/4. Any clarifications, questions on adding similar and dissimilar fractions? So, ma'am, what if meron siyang whole number? So, walang magbabago kapag may whole number. Just simplify or simply add the whole number. So, since we have 3 and 1/5 plus 4 and 3/5 is equals to 7 and 4/5. So, similar fraction siya kasi same sila ng denominator. Let's just copy the denominator and simply add the numerator. So, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 and copy the denominator which is 5. So, add the whole number. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. That's why 3 and 1/5 plus 4 and 3/5 is equals to 7 and 4/5. So, class, any clarifications or questions about our topic for today? The adding, the similar, and dissimilar mixed fractions. Since nakadiscuss na tayo and no more questions, let's move on or proceed tayo sa ating activity, the group activity. So, I am dividing you into 5 groups, and then each group will have a assigned question, which is related siya syempre sa ating topic. So, I am going to, bibigay ko to sa inyo each group, and then I will give each group a 20 minutes to answer these questions. Settle down, class. So, tapos na tayo sa ating group activity. Now, na nagets nyo na ang ating lesson for today, let's have some, kumbaga, oral recitation or for us to ma-review natin ang talakay natin ngayong araw. So, what was our lesson for today? Anyone? Yes, Miss Aplicador? Okay, thank you. So, our topic for today is adding similar and dissimilar mixed fractions. Now, let's have our individual quiz or individual activity. I will give you these answer sheets for you to answer. So, makakaya nyo to within, I think, 15 minutes will do. Class, time's up. Then, pass your paper to the front. And then, sa akin na. So, settle down. Now, let's go back to our objectives. For today's lesson, did we understand the steps of adding mixed similar and dissimilar fractions? Did we use the strips of paper to equally add and simplify similar fractions? That was your activity kanina. And then, did we manifest teamwork through group activity? So, we are able to achieve our objectives for today's lesson. And now, let's proceed on our assignment that ipapasa natin siya bukas. So, find the total, reduce the fractional to the lowest term. So, ilalagay ito siya sa 1/2 crosswise. And so, that's all for today. Thank you, class.